Hey, what's up guys? Editor Dave here. Now, I didn't do a proper intro for this week's in review video. This is that proper intro. Hope you guys enjoy the video and hit me in the comments and let me know if you do. Alright, let's go. Oh man, alright, it's Monday at the new office and already had sort of a busy day. Had to take the car in to repair shop. Yeah, to a repair shop for a callback, a recall that ended up not being a recall. So basically I wasted like the first 2 hours of the day. But today it's pretty simple. Going to be working on a lot of different pitches, things like that. I've got a couple projects on that I'm working on, and then of course also working on the Kaiju Kid, and I have a really good amount of ideas for that, so I really can't wait to get working on it. But I do have a bunch of other written pitches I have to get to, and I'm waiting on some emails from some clients. So basically this is kind of the new normal for me, so just have to get to work. So I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. Yo, what's up guys? So I just got done finishing the Tuesday art tip video of the day. About to hit the edits for that real quick and get that up on YouTube, and then I'm gonna dive back into getting all of these pitches done. I've pretty much got one pitch just about finished up. I just need to wrap up a couple loose ends in my head, and then I'm jumping right back into working on the Kaiju Kid pitch, which I've got it worked out for the most part, but again, it's all in my head and it's not real unless it's on paper or the screen and saved. So gotta make it real, and that's pretty much going to be the rest of my day, and probably gonna hop up out of this hot hoodie, but that's beside the point. But so far for a Monday, no complaints. I've been pretty much on a good roll, so let's get back to work. Yo, I gotta admit, feels kind of good out. Audio on this segment's gonna suck. No camera, no microphone on the camera, but you know, just cell phone footage. Had to get out of the house. Just gonna walk around for a little bit, then back in the house and back to work. All right, let's get back to work. Doing me, doing this live stream. Anybody else joined us so far? All right, let me position this a little bit better, so you guys can get a good look at what I'm doing. Alright, back to what I'm doing. A little experimentation. Haven't done this quite like this before. Yo, check it out guys. So it's Wednesday and made a couple changes to the room. Well, just a couple, just a little change. Check this out. Alright, so basically needed something to sit as a background because I was noticing like the walls are just terrible. And I thought it would be really cool if I just hung some backpacks up there. Then I remember I had these cool KWAME HIGHTOWER backpacks, so I decided to hang those up, and it kind of became a nice little feature piece. It's still a work in progress, of course, but it's just something I thought would jazz up the site just a little bit, you know, just a little bit, just something so that people have something to look at besides a bare wall with missing paint chips. So just that, and I'll probably put some more stuff up along the way, because it looks like we're going to be staying on the inside for a much longer period of time, which, you know what, ain't even mad at. Just this quick update. This is my Wednesday. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Yo, Friday morning. Gonna have a long day ahead of me today because I've got to take the car into the shop to get it looked at, because I've got a sensor going off. Here, check this out. Yeah, that sensor's going off, and I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna go take it to my homeboy Corey to have him look at it, and hopefully we can get that fixed, because I cannot afford to lose the car, not at this time in the proceedings. So let's head on over to Corey's shop and hopefully get this worked on, and hopefully it doesn't cost me an arm and a leg. Oh boy. All right. So my mission with my car was not as successful as I'd hoped it would be. There's an issue going on, and we found it, but in order to take care of it, it kind of hides itself, so it has to rear its ugly head again in order for Corey to be able to finally take care of it, hopefully. Cross our fingers. So while I was out, I was kind of sitting on a couple other missions and decided to tackle a problem that I've been having with my studio. And I got everything I need, so that's what we're going to do today, tackle this issue. Alright fam, so the plan is pretty basic. Now that I got the walls bare, I'm going to go ahead and get these pictures framed up and posted up onto the walls, and then I'm going to put the backpacks around the frame pictures to kind of create this whole little feature wall thing that I have in my head. I still got to kind of plan it out a little bit better, because I don't know exactly where I want the pictures to go and the backpacks to go, but I got a good idea, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started on it. Now the posters I'm going to use are the KWAME, which one were they? Oh, it's the KWAME My Hero Academia poster and the KWAME Miles and Static poster, which same ones that are at my studio, because they always give you overages on these shipments, so I can just go ahead and grab a couple out of there and put them up on the wall. And then I'm going to probably do some original art for my two 11x14 matted ones. So that's pretty much where I'm going with this, and how I'm thinking this is going to go. So let's just get to it and get these walls decorated. Although I am going to have to take a minute to actually do the original artwork, so that's going to be a little wrinkle to this whole thing. But what else I got to do? Let's go ahead and make this wall look good. Alright, got the posters. Now I'm about to get them framed up. This shouldn't be that hard. Of course, that's when it becomes that hard. Should be that hard. So let's get to it. Alright, so got the two 11x17 posters matted, well not matted, framed up. But here's the problem when you're dealing with cheap frames from Walmart. Check that out, y'all. Take a look at that. They damage real easy, so I think when I dropped them accidentally, that might have cracked them, or could have been possibly they were already cracked when I bought them. And because of the pandemic, I can't even take these back in exchange for a refund. They're not taking anything back. So basically, if you bought it, you better use it, or you're out of the business. And the other problem really is that these were the only ones that were at Walmart, so I'm gonna just use them for now, and they should work out pretty fine. And again, it's just I need something to hang the posters up and create a background. So it'll be fine, but it's just a little, you know, you get what you pay for. So alright, back to work. Alright guys, so the next step for me is I've got these two 11x14 frames that I need to put some artwork in, but I don't really have any artwork for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw something up real quick, like, well, not real quick, but I'm going to draw some nice things up real quick, like, and then I'm just going to frame them. And because it's 11x14, well, it's 11x14 frame, 11x14 mat, but the opening is for 8 by 10, I can easily put in my 9 by 12 artwork and it won't be an issue at all. And then I'll just go ahead and fix it down and all that good stuff. So that's the next mission. Let's create some original art to go up on the wall, and that should that should get us through to where I have to put this wall together, and that should be interesting in its own right. Yo, Saturday morning, didn't get everything done like I hoped to because I need to get some tape to tape down these last couple drawings, and then I can get everything hung up on the wall. Jake's on his way with more stuff from the studio so I can create more artwork here from the house, since we're going to be here till God knows when. So I'm about to hop in the shower, get ready, and then just tackle this day and hopefully get as much done as possible. Alright guys, so finally got the entire studio, temporary studio or permanent studio, we don't know yet. Finally got the studio set up, and I have to admit, everything came out dope. Finally got the wall done, got that right. Got my lights set up, thanks Jake for bringing that from the office. It's always good working with you. And really not much else. Just gonna get to work on some different projects and everything like that. But before we get out of here, I just wanted to read a few comments that I've gotten over the week, since it's the week in review. And just most recent comment was on the Organized Chaos video. The homie California Blend, what's up Miss Lady, hey. She was like, thanks for sharing your process. And then Romantic Clan, I think I said that right, Romantic Clan, he hit me up, and his comment was, awesome advice, Dave. I think as artists we tend to be visual learners. Sometimes I'm not seeing the full idea fully formed in my head, so it helps to get it down on paper quickly so I can see where I'm at. I go through lots of paper trying to get it right, trying out different ideas. Just having the pencil in my hand helps my ideas move forward. Thanks for posting, and stay safe. That's exactly what I was talking about, just that idea of action and thought moving as one to create something. So definitely Rome, I'm gonna just call you Rome. Definitely Rome, you hit the nail on the head, and I'm glad that this video kind of confirmed. Let's see, Tom hit me up, awesome video, I really liked it, thanks Tom. And of course Diane O, who has been constantly commenting and just letting her opinion be known, she hit me up and she was like, analysis paralysis, I can totally relate to that, LOL. Also, it's tricky to create characters that look current and relatable, yet not too trendy, otherwise they'll look really outdated in a couple of years, LOL. And she's absolutely right. So that's kind of what always is our challenge as creators, kind of coming up with somewhat timeless, or at least it gets a long run before it becomes outdated. Sometimes looks are going to become outdated regardless. That's just the name of the game. But we want to try to keep them as, you know, as up to date as possible. So Diane is really on it. And to be honest with you, Diane, you've been hitting me up, and I've had that contest, and I've decided that my special edition Rasa easel that I was talking about a few videos ago is going to go to you. So Diane, I need you to hit me up, send me an email, and I'll hit you in the comments, and send me an email to my email address with your mailing address and everything, and I'll get that out to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, if you like this video, I hope you all did, please go ahead and give it the big thumbs up, and share this all over the internet. Also, if you're new here, what's up? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We love to have you join the family. Now guys, everybody hit that bell icon. That's gonna let you know when I post up new videos on the internet, and not have to rely on the YouTube algorithm. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can always hit me up on Instagram and Twitter at DKG72. You can also go to my Facebook fan page, David Gordon 72, or my TikTok, which is David Gordon 72 also. And if you really like the channel, guys, go ahead on with the Patreon. DKG72 makes comments. I have it linked down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be wrapping up next week's activities. Who knows what's going to go on, but I'll be wrapping up next week's what happened next week, well, next Monday, as well as plenty of videos to come. So see you on the channel, and for now, signing off. Peace.